October 20th, 2020 review. All right, so number 1, which expression is equivalent or equal to 15x plus 3? Let's take a look here. So, 15x plus 3. Excuse me. So 15 times x plus 3. Which of these is going to give us 15 times x plus 3? Let's see. This first one for A, if we have that 15, I'm going to use that circle. 15 times x is going to be 15x plus, yes, it's plus. 15 times 1, is that 3? No, so it's not A. How about this next one? 5 times 3, x plus 1. So 5 times 3, or 5 times 3x, 5 times 3 is 15. Keep that x, so 15x, yes. Plus, okay, what's 5 times 1? That's 5 plus 5. Oh, no. So close. I think we're almost there. C. If we circle that 3, the number in front of the parentheses, we're going to have 3 times 5x plus 3 times 1. So what is 3 times 5x? 3 times 5 is 15 plus x, or not plus x. Keep that x there, sorry. So it's multiplied by x. So it'd be 15x, yep, plus, yep. And then we have that 3 times 1 is 3, so plus 3. Yes, we have a winner. Let's make sure it is not the last one. So the last one says, okay, this 2's in front. That 2 multiplied by, that 2 multiplied by that 15x, that's going to be 30x. Oh, no. It's just 15x, not 30 times x. So our answer is, in fact, C. All right, now let's take a look over here. So this one, number 2, the expression C times 4 plus 9 is equivalent or equal to 12 plus D. What are the values of C and D? Well, here's a hint of what we can do. So we can use our distributive property to make this top equation look, or this top expression look like this bottom expression. So we have 12 plus D here. At the top we have C times whatever that 4, and then plus, and then 9. So if we have that C times 4, well, I know that C times 4 is going to be 4C, or 4 times C, or C times 4. I'm going to keep that plus here. This one's a little bit tricky, don't stress. I'm going to keep that plus. Then we'll have that C times 9, which is just going to be C times 9, or 9C. So we know that that is equivalent to, or equal to, 12 plus D. So if I write 12 on the bottom here, plus D, now we can see that 4C is going to equal what 12 equals. So those two are going to go together. And then 9C, or 9 times C, is going to equal what 10, or what D equals. Put that in orange. So 4 times what equals 12? 4 times what equals 12? Well, I know that 4 times 3 equals 12, so C is going to be 3. C is going to be 3. Now, D. If we know that C equals 3, then what is 9 times 3? Well, I know 9 times 3 is 27, so that means D is going to equal 27. That's it, you guys. That's literally it. Don't make it any more challenging than you think it is. We will be doing some more practice with this. Don't stress. I just wanted to throw a little challenge out there your way. And great job with it.